Thanks for choosing Bio-bin, the innovative paper-based clinical waste container. Hold the bin with one hand and slide your other hand, with the palm facing you, down the front panel of the bin. Once your fingertips hit the floor of the bin, gently pull back on the middle of the floor panel with your other hand to open the bin out. To maximise the space in your bio-bin, reach inside with both hands and press outwards against the folds. To secure the temporary seal, ensure the bin is rigid and pinch the back and front of the bin together. Align the temporary seal tabs with each other, fold over the flap and press the tabs together firmly. To seal the bio-bin permanently, remove the release paper on the top of the bio-bin. Pull the front and back flaps together and press down so that they are flat. Fold over the sticky tape along the top of the bin. Finally, align the tabs with the dedicated panels at the sides of the bio-bin and press down hard to ensure final closure. Thanks for watching. If you need any further information or assistance, get in touch.